What happens when Italian perfection meets German aggression? You get something truly insane: the Ferrari 296 GTS N-Largo. This isn't just another Ferrari. It's a transformed beast, reimagined by Novitec into a wide-body masterpiece that looks like it belongs on a racetrack, even when it's standing still. Let's start with the design. The N-Largo kit completely changes the personality of the 296 GTS. Wider fenders, sharper lines, and an even more aggressive stance make this car look brutally powerful. Every angle screams performance. The carbon fiber elements, from the front splitter to the massive rear diffuser, don't just look stunning, they actually improve aerodynamics. But this car isn't just about looks, it's about serious performance. Under the hood, you still get Ferrari's revolutionary 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid powertrain. Combined with the electric motor, this machine produces around 830 horsepower. That's hypercar-level power in a convertible supercar. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Just about 2.9 seconds. And the top speed pushes beyond 330 kilometers per hour. And because it's a GTS, you get the open-top experience. Drop the roof, and suddenly every acceleration feels more intense, every gear shift more emotional, and that engine sound, absolutely addictive. Novitec doesn't stop at the exterior. The suspension is lowered for a more aggressive stance and improved handling. The exhaust system is upgraded, delivering a deeper, more aggressive tone that truly brings the car to life. This isn't just speed, it's drama. Step inside, and you're surrounded by pure Ferrari luxury mixed with racing DNA. Premium materials, carbon fiber details, and a driver-focused cockpit make you feel connected to the machine at all times. But here's the real question: who is this car for? This isn't for someone who wants subtlety. This is for someone who wants attention, performance, and exclusivity all in one package. The N-Largo is limited, rare, and built to stand out wherever it goes. In a world full of supercars, the Ferrari 296 GTS N-Largo doesn't just compete, it dominates with style, power, and presence. And honestly, this might be one of the wildest modern Ferraris ever created.